back to YouTube channel, Princess Winnie Tutorial YouTube channel. And today we have a big surprise because my little brother is turning 5 years old, and we're going to be celebrating him together with my friends, and we're going to giving him 5 gifts. And my mother is also here, and my dad is the one holding the camera. So yeah, stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe to YouTube channel.
Say hi guys.
Hi.
What's up? And you ladies, you girls and boys. Man, siseme kitu my friend. Nini? Hi. Hako kingine kadogo ni kagani?
Sema hi baby. Sema hi to your brother. Wanna say hi?
Princess Winnie, can you say something?
Hello my people. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends now wherever you are watching me from. It's your girl Princess Winnie, and today is a special day in my house. My boy here is turning 5, and we are going to give him 5 gifts of the year. So guys, stay tuned, watch the video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because guys, usipo subscribe na turn the notification bell, utajua aje hizi vitu sawa. So stay tuned, tukimpea gift tujue ataanza na gift gani, atafanya nini, utafungua gift na yeye. Okay guys, we love you. Mwah. So tunaanza, wacha tumletee gift. Anza na kufungua, si ndio?
Malia.
Okay,
say hi. Hi.
By the way, we have Malia here. Malia, who is Malia to you? Your sister. Your cousin. Okay. We have this. All this is for you. Okay. All, yeah, you open. All this. We start with which one? We have 5 gifts. We have 5, not 5, 6. Even Daddy has a gift. Daddy has a gift for you. You know that? Yeah. Big one. Okay, these are 5 gifts for you, baby. I want you to open them. You're going to help me. Okay. Let's cut. Wow. Are you ready? 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 Say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's do this. This is Andy's gift. Tell Andy something. Say, tell Andy thank you. This is Andy's gift. This is Handy's gift. So tell Handy something.
Who is Handy? Handy.
Tell Handy thank you,
What's
baby.
up?
Thank you.
Wow. You can't even give Handy a hug? Baby, you can't give Handy a hug?
Mbona mwambie auntie yako akusaidie kufungua?
Wow. What is this? Wow. Say wow. You like it? Yeah, this is yours. You like it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't say wow.
Wow.
Baby. You don't like it? Really? Okay, okay. This is number 1 gift, guys. This is number 1 gift from Handy. Okay, this is from Handy. You open it.
This is a car.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, you like it? Okay, 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 okay.
Sasa niulize, kwani gift zinapeanangwa before mfungue keki?
Yeah.
Eh? Wewe mama mai, siwasaidia hao. Umekula kwanza.
Yeah, this one is number 1. Okay, we go to number 2. We go to number 2. Which one? This one.
Yep.
Okay, put this one here. This is number 1. We go to number 2. We go to number 2. Chop, 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 chop. Are you ready for this one?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this one?
Yeah.
Count to 1,
1,
2,
2,
3. Let's do this. No, let's open this one. Let's open this one. What is this? What is this? Are you excited to see what is inside? Really?
don't touch it.
You don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. What is this? You don't know. This is gift number 2. Okay. Let's open gift number 2.
I turn number 5.
You turn number 5.
Yeah.
You're 5 years old now. Surprise!
And new shoes.
You like it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's for mommy. Tell mommy thank you. Give me a big hug. Big hug. Wow.
Round 3.
Okay, this number 1. Number 3, this one. What? This one, number 3? We open this one.
Yeah.
You serious? You ready? Ready for this? Okay. Cut. Help mommy. Help me.
Oi, changamka nani?
Kitty.
Meipenda? Imechorwa nani?
Wairegi Christmas.
Haijachorwa Wairegi Christmas. Ah. Chukua sasa Andy aweke vizuri. Hiyo inaitwaje? Study table, si ndio?
Study table. Study chair.
Study chair. Na umepata pa kufanya homework, si ndio? Na bag yako. Umeletewa gift mingi. How many gift?
5.
5 gift.
Yeah.
You turn how many years?
8.
8.
Yeah.
You turn 5. Say I turn 5.
I turned 5.
Not 8.
Okay, sasa ni 8 bado.
No, sio 8 bado. You are 5.
8 bado.
You are 5.
8 bado.
Toka Andy aweke hiyo, usigonge TV Andy. Toa hizo zote hapo. Anakuwekea, wacha Andy akutengenezee. Si usaidie Andy utoe zile pepa. Saidia Andy utoe hizo pepa. Daddy atakusetia penye itakaa, si ndio? Kata tu hizo pepa, ina noma. Weka hiyo juu pale juu. Sasa hapa ndio bag yako itakuwa inakaa. Kasuku yako ya maji. Pakuweka bairo. Bag yako itakaa pale chini, utakuwa una hiyo sasa hapo ndio pako sasa. Hebu kaa nikuone. Supu, songa mbele. Meipenda? Kuwatch. Sasa unataka kuwatch na unataka kukaa kwa chair.
Na hii ni study chair. Na kuwatch kwa
kuna kakitu imebaki hapo kwa kuweka bag. Hapo lakini hapo kama ni karembo. Thank you, your brother, for helping you out. Tell Andy thank you.
Andy, thank you. Wow. Look amazing.
It's look amazing. You love it?
Yeah. Come.
Between the 5 gift, talk about between the 5 gift.
Yeah.
Which one do you love?
This one.
This one?
Yes, and this one.
And the car? What about the shoes, the ball?
And yes.
But you want to share with Andy which one? Ball.
Yeah.
What about the table?
Yeah. I share a table.
You share a table with Andy?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Andy can't fit that table. Songesha hizo nguo na huko. Zinaonekana. Nguo.